Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's your girl, Chloe, and today we're going to be discussing Gemini and how to seduce or make a Gemini fall in love with you. Geminis are intelligent, intellectual, curious souls. So they need somebody, and I mean need, somebody who is going to stimulate their mind. They have to be, they have a need for constant stimulation. They're like ADHD in a person through zodiac sign. ADHD is the mental disorder of the zodiac sign Gemini. So yeah, they need stimulation all the time. They need somebody who can engage in witty intellectual conversations, people who can pick their mind and question them, and people who are curious and want to learn, people who can share interesting ideas and hold conversations, deep or light. They like the lighter side of life. They don't really like too deep. They like playfulness and lightheartedness. They enjoy someone with a good sense of humor and someone with like the gift of gab. They have that, so they enjoy people who are intellectual and who are entertaining and can keep the atmosphere very light and subtle. They don't really like getting too deep. They can be superficial in that way. It's just that they don't really know their emotions as well as they know their mind. So they like to keep it simple and fun. They're adaptable and they're spontaneous. So they appreciate change and variety, new things, like going to new places, trying new foods. They enjoy experience and just newness of life. So if you can provide them with like newness, oh my gosh, they'll love you. And if you can stimulate their brain all the time, they'll love you even more. Never stop them from experiencing or expressing themselves, because then they'll feel limited and they might not want you. They need somebody who is intellectually curious, people who can talk about fascinating facts or books or topics or anything that captures their interest. They also like to learn, so if you can teach them something, hell yeah. They love to learn. They have to be learning all the time. And they might not delve too deep into things like Sagittarius might, because they like to stay on the surface level type thing. They like to they know a lot about a lot of things, but not a lot about one thing. Usually, although sometimes, this isn't always the case. This can differ from person to person. It depends on the overall chart and the person, but usually they know a lot about a lot. And so if you can teach them something new, they'll really enjoy that. When you're not around them, they might even enjoy like texting or video chatting or just talking on the phone all the time. Like constant stimulation. They need to be stimulated all the time. But don't ever stop them from wanting to, go watch a YouTube video or go do something. Also, Gemini is ruled by their hands, so they enjoy using their hands a lot and their arms. So take them to places that they can learn to do something with their hands. I don't know, like crochet. I don't know if they'd be interested in that. But like, I don't know, making something with your hands, or, teaching them how to build something or something like that. Also, be a social butterfly. Take them out in public and talk to people with them. They love people, usually. They love learning about people. I mean, this can vary depending on the person, of course, but they like people who are social, people who are outgoing. They like new people and attending events with their friends and stuff like that. So take them to places to where y'all can talk to people. Yeah, they'll bring you back home and be like, are you ready? Because best day ever. Also, embrace flirtatious banter. They love flirting. They love conversation. So, like, flirt with them through your words. They love it. They love teasing and playful, witty, flirtatious bantering. They love it. Also, Gemini values their independence, so never stand in their way. If it's something that they want to do, someone that they want to talk to, don't get jealous. They don't like that. Because, if they're into you, they're into you. If they're not into you, they're not into you. So just don't get jealous. Give them space and freedom in the relationship. Also, surprise them with variety, whether it's activities or food or like a new game that you bought at Walmart, or to play with them, just surprise them and keep them intrigued. Surprise them. They like surprises. Some signs don't, but I feel like Gemini likes a surprise. They're very interesting in that way. Also, be a good listener. They value people who listen to them because they are good listeners and they listen to other people very well. So show genuine interest in their thoughts and their opinions, and don't forget it. They'll remember that they told you, and they'll remember that you forgot. Also, maybe use memes or GIFs when y'all are not around each other and surprise them in ways like that. Or like on Snapchat, how they have those little like images of you and them. Like, use those. They might like that a lot. If they don't really like getting too deep, keep it surface level and lighthearted and optimistic. They don't like anything that's too serious or heavy. They just can't deal. Also, acknowledge and appreciate their multifaceted personality. Some people might not like this and view this as instability, but they have a multitude of opinions, and sometimes they might not be, the same. Like, one day they like tomatoes, the next day they don't. Be open to that. Be open to the change, because they're constantly changing, and just be open to their dualistic nature. Be adaptable when their plans change quickly, because that will happen. I don't know, Virgo, I don't know if that'll make you mad or not, but like, that will happen for Gemini because they're adaptable and they can go with the flow, and not everybody can. And so try to be adaptable and go with the flow if you really want to be with a Gemini. Show interest in all the things that they're interested in, and they'll love you. Also, express yourself creatively, and don't be afraid to be yourself. They like people who are enthusiastic and people who take part in the types of hobbies that they like. I hope this helped. I hope you gained some insight from this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like it. And if you want to see more content from me, please don't forget to subscribe. I would highly appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day, week, year. Every day is a blessing. And you're amazing. And I love you. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.